What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. We've got a couple of stories for you and a couple of questions. Let's go. Our first story of the day is, what are the S23 Ultras gonna look like with the new colors? Well, these are renders based off the official releasings of the phone. So I'm not gonna show you the official releasings, but these are really like near identical renders that someone created of the official render. So check these out. So these are the colors that you're gonna get initially with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And when you look at these, what do you think? White? We're gonna have black, green, and like a lilac purplish color. I am gonna try to get either the white or the lilac purple type color. Secondary for me would probably be the green and the black in terms of, I don't know which one I would choose, one over the other. But definitely the white or the green, white or the purple, I should say, to get one of those. What are you guys gonna get out of those colors? Or even if you're not gonna get the phone, which color do you like best? Let me know in the comments down below. The other part of the story, the second story, is there is a special feature coming out per Ice Universe that has not been announced or leaked by anyone about the S23 Ultra, and he doesn't say what it is. He's like, there's some surprise at the end of this rainbow. There's a couple of guesses in the comments, but I don't know. I mean, what could it be? He doesn't fully go into detail with it, but it is quite interesting. We know some things about the camera, or at least a lot of things I should say about the camera. The 200 megapixel main camera, the ultra steady stabilization, better night photos, better photos overall, better AI, all that stuff. We know that. Better microphones, which will be part of that camera system because it's gonna pick up in the audio when you shoot a video. I don't know. What do you think it will be? That'll be your question of the day, of what is going to be the special feature that has not been leaked or announced about the S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump into the Q&A portion of the video. James Nelson has the first question. I am planning on upgrading to the S23 Ultra through Samsung. I'm going to pre-order the phone. I have never done this before, but have heard rumors. Someone told me that they get $200 off just for pre-ordering the phone, plus a real lot back on the trade-in. Is this true? How does it work? Generally, you're not going to get, so the cost of the phone will be the same. Your trade-in, depending upon which phone you have, could be really, really lucrative. Could be up to $1,000 off potentially. But it's usually a good trade-in offer. Again, it depends on new the phone is and which phone it is. The other part of it is you won't get $200 off. What we probably end up getting is like $200 or $150 worth of credit that you can use at that point to buy accessories, maybe earphones or a case or stuff like that. So you can, get all that stuff with it. And Rolly Pops is asking, do we think Samsung will allow us to trade in 2 devices towards an S23 phone? Yes, I do think they will, but just remember that second device is severely decreased in value when you do trade it in versus just trading in one device, but it still equates out to more off the phone. Thank you so much. If you have a question, leave it in the comments down below with the hashtag question. We'll see you down the road. Peace.